Oh my goodness. Dad, I hacked the Reinhardt right before he could do the wall.
Barrier in place.
I avenged your death, don't worry.
The objective must be taken. Hide. Back to me. What's that equation?
Goodness. First time for a sneeze.
Enemy on my radar.
Barrier. Vector, my barrier is destroyed.
What? Since when did I not have my translocator activated? I threw it down.
You must have killed it.
That is so frustrating. This is my favorite Reaper skin ever.
Activating the barrier.
Enemy turret over there.
Claim the objective.
Impact.
I wasn't gonna let that Anna get away either, don't worry.
Appears that she's allergic to getting hit in the head with rocks.
It's good to know, good to know.
Observe the barrier.
I pressed shift.
There's a Reaper around here somewhere.
Soldier 76 reporting for duty.
Enthusiasm seems to lie. Elementary application.
Oh my goodness, double.
Nice double kill.
And I stand still waiting for more enemies to come. And then